Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the online session of Environmental Studies. Today we are going to study chapter number 5, Occupation. Children, many people work for us to make our life easy. We must respect and value the work done by these people for us. Now, let us study the meaning of occupation. People do different types of work at home like cooking, cleaning and washing clothes. But when they work to earn money, we say that they are following an occupation. Profession is a paid occupation that requires special training or skill. Now, let us learn about the need for an occupation in one's life. Having an occupation helps us earn money and meet our basic needs such as food, clothes and shelter. Now, we will study the next point, that is types of occupation. There are different types of occupations. Different occupations require different types of tools. Let us learn about different occupations and the tools used for them. A farmer grows fruits and vegetables in the field. He uses a wooden plow to dig the soil before sowing the seeds. An architect plans and designs buildings. He uses a drafting board, a scale, a marker and a compass to draw the design of a building. A plumber fixes and repairs taps and pipes. He uses a wrench and a spanner to do this job. Spanner means a tool used for turning a nut or bolt. An electrician fixes and repairs switchboards, lights, fans and air conditioners. He uses screwdrivers, cable cutters and pliers for this work. A carpenter makes tables, chairs, beds, doors, windows, etc. using wood. He uses a saw to cut wooden logs and a hammer to strike nails into wood. A tailor stitches clothes for us. He uses a pair of scissors to cut cloth, a measuring tape to measure it and a sieving machine to stitch dresses from the cloth. A potter makes pots, bowls and vases from clay. He molds the clay on the potter's wheel into different shapes. A photographer takes photographs with the help of a camera. Now, let us learn about people who sell things. The grocer sells rice, pulses and various other grocery items. The fisherman sells fish. The vegetable vendor, that is the greengrocer, sells vegetables like carrots, potatoes, onions and beans. The baker sells baked food like cookies, breads and cakes. The butcher cuts and sells meat. The bookseller sells books. Now we will study the last point, that is equality of work. Children, people do different kinds of jobs for their livelihood. We should respect and be grateful to people who help us. Now let us read the story of Farhan, who had to manage without the gardener and domestic help for a day. One day, Farhan's gardener and domestic help do not come to work. His mother asks him to help her. Farhan agrees to work in the garden but refuses to wash utensils. He does not like washing utensils because they are dirty. His mother explains him that all types of work are equally important. His mother says, Farhan, no job is big or small. You should respect all occupations and the people who follow them. This is called dignity of labor. Dignity means self-respect and labor means hard work. Farhan helps his mother in the garden and at home. Farhan's mother tells Farhan to always value people who help us with our daily chores. Next day, Farhan greets the domestic help and the gardener with a smile by saying hello. Did you get it? Okay, I hope that you all have understood the topic very well. Read the lesson twice from your EVS textbook at your home and stay safe. Thank you.